Welcome back to the Beaver Lodge Smoke Pit. Today I got a whole bone-in turkey breast and we're going to smoke that on the Weber kettle using a little bit of pecan wood. Okay, I'm going to get the Weber set up here using the snake method with the coals and a little fire starter to get it going on one end. I'm going to add a water pan in the center and throw a chunk of pecan wood on. I'm shooting for temps to stay between 275 and 300 degrees. Melting some clarified butter, and then to that I'm going to add chicken stock and some seasonings. This will be my injection, and I'll also rub some on the outside of the bird and then season it up some more. I'm going to keep it real simple here and just using salt, pepper, garlic. Okay, the Weber's up to 250 degrees. Let's get this on here. Get the lid closed up and we'll let the temperatures get up to about 275, 280, and then I'll dial the vents back a little bit and we'll see if we can hold between 275 and 300. Been on here a couple hours, so let's see how we're doing. It's starting to look good. Nice color. Our internal temp's up to 122. I'm going to flip this around a little bit just so the other side's pointing towards the hot coals. Alright, our internal temp is right at 165 degrees. Wow, look at that color. And that smells amazing. Let's get this over to the cutting board and see how we did. I wish you could smell how good this is. Alright, let's give it a taste. It's so juicy with that injection, and the simple salt, pepper, garlic is perfect. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.